friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Chainlink coin and what is the current price, what is the current price change goes at this time in the Chainlinks. And this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Chainlink coin, so the current price is about 35.22 USD dollar is the current price. And if we talk about the chain, so the chains goes very bad at this time friends. They broken my heart at this time. As you can see, the last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change as negative. Oh my god, they fully destroy my heart, they fully broken my heart. What a bad change goes at this time in a Chainlink coin. And you know what, at this time the Chainlink price is very high, 35.22 USD dollar. Oh my god, absolutely. If you are a holder, so you lost very big amount friends, but don't worry, we recover this loss and a profit friends. You have to hold your coin with the last half this year friends. I hope they continue jump and the future friends. So please don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell it at this time friends, because you are also in the loss friends. So please do not sell at this time friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Chainlink coin of the last 1 day friends. The prices goes in the last 1 day is about negative 3.22%. As you can see here, they are as you can see at this time take a jump, try to take a jump, but unfortunately after a jump they again falls down, as you can see here. And this time a very bad falls again, and now at this time they are again ready to take a jump friends. So I hope this and this struggle of the Chainlink are success, and maybe they goes upward very highly, maybe they become a rocket, and we see the Chainlink coin and the moon friends. The change occurred in the last 1 day is about negative 3.22%. If this kind of jump occurs in the Chainlink coin, so soon they can the change become positive friends. And the highest price in the last 1 day of Chainlink coin is about 36.64 USD dollar is the highest price of Chainlink coin friends. So now a lot of people personally ask me this question, that what should they do, as it the best time to buy, sell or hold Chainlink coin. So friends, and now if we think about the price of Chainlink coin, so as we can see 35.22 USD dollar, absolutely a big amount. So when you if you sell it at this time, so you are also in the loss. As you know, the last 1 week change is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss. So please wait for it, and when the change become positive, so you have a profit. So please, it's the best time for you that to sell at this time friends, Chainlink coin friends. So what's your opinion about Chainlink? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and